Okay, welcome. Today I have a very simple MATLAB application or MATLAB test to see if the Ebert color distance, which is from this paper by Ebert, Rangens and Yo, on effective transfer functions for volume rendering of photographic volumes. There they propose to use a color distance, which is basically the Euclidean distance in a C-lab space, which is said to be perceptually linear. And they say, well, let's use the Euclidean distance between two colors, and then the gradient magnitude as a measure for the perceptual distance between the two colors. So I was wondering if this would work, or if this could be used in a photographic dataset to estimate some materials, or at least find some materials in the data based upon their color or distance to other colors. So what I did is I read a slice which looks like this. Let's see where it is. Basically what you want to in an ideal case, you would have that every organ or every object in the dataset would have a large color distance to every other object in the dataset. So the kidneys having a large color distance to everything else except the two kidneys, and so on. I know this is very ideal and it will probably not be the case, but I was just wondering, and so I created a little test. So what I did was, okay, let's see if I can just select a pixel and run my my tool like this, and it returns everything in with a threshold of 10 with a color distance of length 10. And you see that the kidneys are out and some others are out, and let's see if I can. Okay, so it seems to be working for some basic things, but well, a lot of other stuff is also in there, and of course I can try to enlarge the threshold, or actually I have to decrease the threshold, of course, else more will be in. So let's see what happens. Probably it will yeah, it's way too less, so okay, blah blah blah, go away. Okay, so 10 was okay. And what happens when you select some other color, like the outer color? Ideally you would only select, you would find a located color distance to all the fat in the image, but oh well, it's kind of okay. But well, there's a lot of stuff which is here which would probably also classify as fat, I think. I'm not a doctor, but so final test, some stuff here. What happens? Or no, maybe here. And it's going wrong. Stuff here. Yeah, well, that's not working as good as it should be. So, bottom line, this is an easy way to see the color distances to a selection, and you see that it might be good for using in transfer functions and such, but using it solely for material detection will probably not work. We have to be done some more work or some pre-processing, or so. My idea was good, but well, we need more work.